Okay, so good day to all. This is a guide for you so that you can answer your practice set number 1 or midterm in this subject uh, para mag-guide ka. Okay, so note natin that write your proving or answer on the space provided for each case. Erasures are wrong. Okay. Uh, for number 1, using the truth table technique or TTT, determine what kind of propositional form is given below. So you will determine the kind of propositional form that is given below. So dito, truth table technique lang. Okay, so describe natin yung number 1. Yung number 1 is a propositional form composed of 5 component propositions. So you are expecting 32 assignments, no? So the first column, because 32 divided by 16, divided by 2 is 16. So the first is 16 na 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Tapos 16 na zeros. I hope alam mo na yung kung paano mag-assign ng truth value assignment sa loob ng truth table technique. Tapos, from that, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, this is 8 na 1, 8 na 1. Tuloy natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tapos, 8 na 0. 8 na 1. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As 8 na zeros. Okay, from that, you're dealing with 8 divided by 2 is 4, 4 na 1, 4 na 0, 4 na 1 hanggang sa mabuo mo. Then, yung letter E natin or yung proposition E natin will be alternate starting from 1. Again, this ready columns provided to you doesn't mean na dapat magamit mo lahat yan. So, kung saan ka lang umabot, doon ka hihinto. Okay? So, hindi ibig sabihin nun, kailangan mapuno mo lahat yan. Okay? So, kapag hindi kasya sa heading yung inyong proposition na isusulat, use this let. Okay? Alam mo nang gamitin yan. At the end, you can determine what kind of proposition is given to you. Okay? Now, for the second part, page number 2, direction, determine which assignment of the truth table will give the propositional form a truth value 0 or false. List all of them. Okay, so you are given 1 and number 2 for part 2. So, ang mangyayari niyan, you will construct the truth table and you will determine all the possible assignment na magiging 0 yung propositional form. I will give example. For example, you are given, this is not the given, this is just as an example, okay? So, for example, you are given P implies Q and R. So, let's find out kung saan mag-false yan, PQR. So, 3 propositions means 2 raised to 3, that is 8. 4 na 1, 4 na zeros. Dalawang 1, dalawang zeros, dalawang 1s, dalawang zeros. Alternate, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So, for P implies Q, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Then, for P implies Q and R, we have P implies Q and R. This is 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Kung mapapansin mo, meron tayong, this is the propositional form given to you. Kung mapapansin mo. Ngayon, sa propositional form na binigay sa'yo, meron kang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Limang assignments na kung saan yung propositional form 0. And that is when P is 1, Q is 1, R is 0. Also, this assignment will give you 0. This assignment will give you 0. This assignment will give you 0. And this last assignment will give you 0. Okay, lilista mo lang lahat yon. Sabihin mo, the following assignment will make the propositional form zeros. So, pwede mo ilista ng ganito, P, Q, R. So, pwede kang magkaroon ng 1, 1, 0. That's the first assignment na kung saan 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Lastly is 0, 0, 0. Okay? So, gagawin mo yon for number 1 and number 2. If the propositional form given to you is tautology, of course, there's no 0 for that. So, you will just justify your answer that there's no 0 result for any tautology dahil tautology means a propositional form which is always 1. So, there's no 0 result for that. Okay? For number 3 naman, I hope you understand part 2, no? For part 3, this is what you call problem solving. Solve the problem as indicated. I will read on a popular giveaway television show, a young couple shown 3 different keys, labeled key A, B, and C, and was told that simply picking the right key, which will open the new house and lot, wins it, plus additional cash for their future expenses. The MC of the show gave the following hints. Hint number 1, either key A will open the door, or key B will not, and key C will. Hint number 2, either key A or key C will open the door, but it is impossible that both key A and B will open the door, or both A and B will. After a few minutes, the young couple confidently made their choice. Which key should they pick in order to win the game? Justify your answer using truth table technique. Okay, so this is your truth table that is already given to you. Meron kang key A, key B, key C. Now, the assignment is very easy. Alam mo na yan. Now, the first thing na gagawin mo is to symbolize hint 1. To symbolize hint 1 and symbolize hint 2. So, ano yung hint 1, ano yung hint 2? So, the word either is very important because this is the grouping symbol. Grouping symbol for disjunction. Okay. Of course, this is disjunction. The word not is negation. Okay. Now, let's symbolize hint number 1 for you to determine kung paano mag-symbolize ng worded statement. Okay. Either means you need a grouping symbol. Key A will open the door, or key B will either key A will open the door, or key B will not, so that is negation, and key C will. As you observe, dahil itong either na to ay grouping symbol for disjunction, after kong marinig yung or, I will close it. Ito yung close ng either. Then, conjunction na, I need grouping symbol for that. Alam mo na yon from the lecture. So, this is exactly hint number 1. Okay. Now, hint number 2. Hint number 2, I will not symbolize this because this will be the twist of this. If I symbolize hint number 2, para ko nang binigay yung sagot ng aking practice set. Pero again, maririnig mo dyan yung word na either. Alam mo na ibig sabihin niya, nandyan yung or, nandyan yung both. Ito yung both naman ay grouping symbol for conjunction. Okay? Now, the word but is very important. That is conjunction. Okay? Pag nakita mo yung but, that is and. Okay? Yung mga word na but, however, tsaka while, that is all about and that is how to symbolize using the conjunction. Okay, now, The word impossible also is very important. When we say impossible, alam mo ibig sabihin yan, imposible. So, pag-isipan mo mabuti kung paano mo i-symbolize yung number 2. Now, for example, na-symbolize mo na yung number 1 at number 2, hint 1 and hint 2, ang mangyayari dyan is you will conjunct hint number 1 and hint number 2. So, your propositional form will be hint 1, the symbolized hint 1, and the symbolized hint 2. So, that will be the last column for this truth table. Now, mapapansin mo dyan, for example, lagay ko assignment, 1, 1, apat na 1, apat na zeros, dalawang 1, dalawang 1, dalawang zeros, dalawang 1, dalawang zeros. Tapos alternate. Okay. You will do this truth table. For example, this is your star. And your star is hint 1 and hint 2. And that is your propositional form. And this is the assignment at the end. This is only example. This is 0. This is 0. This is another 0. This is 1. This is 0. 0, 0, 0. This is only example. Now, as you observe, meron kang isang 1 na nakikita at the end of your truth table. Now, tignan mo yung assignment nun. Sa assignment na yon, ito yon. The only proposition or the only key in this assignment which is true is 1. So, ibig sabihin nun, key A will open the door. The only assignment here which is 1 is key A. So, therefore, key A will open the door. And that is the key that the couple should pick. Okay? In order to win the game. Okay, so I hope you understand or you are now guided by this video to answer correctly your practice set number 1. I will not include the lecture or the copy of this lecture doon sa i-upload ko, pero I will provide the video of course. Okay? Bye. Mag-aral mabuti ha, mag-aral mabuti. Kayang-kaya mo yan.